Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to enable the side panel for the Google Chrome web browser. So Chrome used to have this feature where you just click on a little icon, kind of look like this one. It would open up a side panel here with a little drop down for your history and bookmarks and so on. And then you could just click on whichever one you want to have it open here on the side. And just like with everything else that we like, they decided to get rid of it. But you can add this back individually for each one, so we're going to show you how to do that. All right, so click on the three dots up here. So let's say you want your history. You want to click on this one here that says grouped history. And you can see it opens it up here. And then you just pin it. And then it'll add an icon right there. And if you close it, it's closed. And you could go back to it as needed. All right, and then for your bookmarks, click on the one that says show all bookmarks. And that one's there. You could pin it. All right, then we also have under bookmarks the reading list. Show reading list. In that one. And then if you want, you could go to more tools and pin the reading mode. So now you can just kind of toggle through each one as needed. And if you don't want one, just simply unpin it, close it, and then it's gone. All right, so once again, click on the three dots. For history, grouped history. For bookmarks, you want show all bookmarks. And then under bookmarks, you also have the reading list. And then under more tools, you have reading mode. All right, so as you can see, you could get the side panel features back. It's just a little more work than before. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.